Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. This evening I'll be doing a clean with me and getting dinner out of the way because why not? I think everyone needs a little weekly reset. Whatever that may mean for you, do it. To me, one of the best feelings is starting the week off with a nice clean house, a fulfilling dinner, and at the end of all that, a nice cold glass of wine or whatever your guilty pleasure is or whatever you like to eat for dessert, bubble baths, whatever makes you feel good and to start the week off right, do it. So I hope this video helped motivate you to get up right now and start your weekly reset so that you can go into this week feeling amazing.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time for the jabba. That cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we know you get abba. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything we do, I dey try to do my way. Plenty suffer we be face just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit,
I've been watching you.
I've been watching you. I've been watching you. Mr. Fruity Looper.
Y'all, I done put my hair up. I am tired. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it so much. I hope that you consider subscribing. I'm about to make me a plate. I'm going to have me a glass of wine and I'm going to relax and start my week off right.